home steel structure company. Thank you for watching my video. If you're looking forward to prefabricated house, please contact me. Our country can provide prefabricated house, prefabricated house, linear house, boarding house, and steel structure building. And now, behind my body, this is prefabricated house. And about this house, we use 20 workers within 2 months to build it. And if you want to know more, just follow me. Come on. The prefabricated house usually build 1 to 2-story building, and it's very easy the foundation. The prefabricated house just to compact the ground, and as you see, we just use 2 centimeters foundation like concrete. And if you want to have a bathroom, you need to pay very high in advance. This is foundation of prefabricated house. Now we come into the office area. In this place, here is a customer room. Now you can see. This is office room. In this room, the 2 double sides have 2 windows. Now you see, this is our reception room. Okay, now we go into the very big meeting room. It's very luxury, right? You want to eat. And both sides is glass wall, have good light. And this both side, it was being used cement board. Now you can see ceiling. It was be cement board too. Now we see this ground, the floor, it was be ceramic. Do you want like this? Just contact me. For the roof materials, we can choose sandwich roof panels. Sandwich panels and asphalt shingles. Single shingles and thermal insulation materials. Recent tools and thermal insulation materials architecture. Insulation materials commonly used are glass wool, rock wool, and so on. The wall of prefabricated house. We have 3 truss section. Central panel, glass wall, double-sided panel with an insulation filler. And we advise use central panel. First, it has easy installation, low cost, and heavy installation. And about this prefabricated house, we, according to customer needs, we use the board. And about the glass work, it's very nice and modern. And you can see outside in the house, and outside it was inner effect. It has vertical flooring. And the other word, we use single word like this. This is single word. about the kitchen work, we use cement board. Cement board without any decoration. We can directly use it. If you want to paint the board, cement board, just like this. Cement board has waterproof and more strong. Now let us go into the dining room. Now you can see, this is glasswork. Glasswork has good heavy insulation function, and you can see outer view is very clear. You can imagine if you build this house in the seaside, when you wake up your house, you can see the big side waves that is very interesting. This is cement board. It was being painted white color. Just look like a traditional house, beautiful. I think it must be a good choice, right? Okay, now you can see, this is bathroom. The door has used cement work. It's not any painting. This project uses a lot of cement work, and you also can use other materials, such as PVC board, gypsum ceiling, silicated ceiling, fiberboard architecture. That's all for today. If you want to know more about us, you can visit our YouTube site. We have done a lot of projects and hope they are useful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe, click the like button and comment. Thanks, bye, see you next time.